A very warm welcome to Puan Nur Iza binti Mamun. So today we have been given the case study 2 for the subject DFP 40053, Database Administration. So together with me, I'm Darwin Dandraj, Kishan Rao and Muhammad Aima Hakim will join us to do more research on case study 2 given by Madam. So basically, let's jump into to review the question. So we have been working as a database administrator for a leading IT database consultant company. So one day, one of our client database was down when he tried to start it and received error. So what's the error is Aura 00205, error in identifying control file. Check alert log for more info. After analyzing the error state in alert log, we have discovered that his Oracle database was unable to access one of the control files and it has been multiplex control file. So as a database administrator, we are required to find and prepare a solution for the problem and decide whether we have to restore his control file from a backup or not. For further sharing with our client, we are also required to explain the possibility options that can be taken in case the situation worsens due to the loss of all control files. So to explain more, Kishan would take over.
So thank you, Darwin. So the first question that we will be taking over is a solution for the problem. So as you all can know, the problem was Aura 00205. So how are we going to solve it? First, we have to log in as sys. So because that's our system. So as usual, username sys as sysdba, password 12345. So once we have connected, okay. So the next part is to example error incident that show up. This is when giving up the command. So select status from v $instance and status is started. And then you all can see alter database mount, and you all can see alter database mount error at line 1 Aura 00205, the same one as we said. So this error 00205 error in identifying control file check alert log for more info is due to the system was unable to locate a control file with the requested name and size. So next, I would like to pass to Ayman.
Okay, thank you, Kishan. So we will use the command show parameter control file that will to show the information of the control file. So the command is show parameter control underscore file, and it will show the control file types and the value, which is the destination of the control file. So show parameter control file will indicate the control file available at Oracle 19C on your device. So there are two files available in this system, which is the c/app/user/oradata orcl/control01.ctl, and also c/apps/user/oradata orcl/control02.ctl. So when checking at the given location, you can find the c/app/user/oradata/orcl/control02.ctl is missing in the directory, as you can see in the screenshot above.
Okay, now we are going to alter the command in order to edit only one control file is available at the given location. So how are we going to do? So we are going to basically use the keyword of alter system set control underscore file equal to the location of the file. So basically it's app user oradata oracle and control01.ctl. So it basically shows that the system is altered.
So the next part is to shut down the database and start up the database. So first is to shut down, just put shut immediate and the database will close. Database is this one, and the Oracle instance will be shut down. So after that, just put startup to start up that Oracle. So Oracle instance startup, and it will show a list of sizes, and the database is mounted and open. So over to you, Hakim.
So thank you, Kishan. So we will continue. The Oracle database is open and now show that it has only one control file, which is at c/app/user/oradata/orcl/control01. So as you can see, the show parameter control file is at the c/app/user/oradata/orcl/control01.ctl. So next.
Okay, so right now we have to decide, we have to restore the client's control file or not by backing up. So we have to took a decision. The decision will be mainly on the reasons, right? So the reason for us to decide it's a yes. So let's see. Backup is very important as the risk of disaster is particularly high for database. When SQL server database are hit by disaster, you need a strategy and means to recover. So backup is only the solutions. And when the table corruption and other system problems occur, and backup is one of the helping. So backups are divided by two, which is physical backup and logical backup to be safe. And recovery is the state to restore a physical backup or data file or control file to reconstruct it and make it available to Oracle database server. So basically, it can function just like before. The corrupted issue and so on has happened. So Oracle backup and recovery may be done in two ways, which is recovery manager, which is RMAN to be said, and user managed backup and recovery. So Oracle primary solution for backing up and restoring your Oracle database line, and we have used it in our various lab exercises and so on. So RMAN is built to interact closely with server and detect corruption at block level during backup and restore. So in our situation, our control files are having issues. So we know that we cannot mount or open the database without control backup job. So the command is configure control file auto backup. This is to backup automatically, while manual backup can be done with the command rman backup current control file command. So these is the commands that use for backing up control files and other files as well. So now over to you, Kishan.
Thank you, Darwin. So now it will be on our third part of it. So what is our third part of it is to explain the possible option that can be taken in the case the situation worsened due to the loss of the control files. So step one is to create a user and schema for the recovery catalog. So what is the command to be used is create user rman identified by cat, temporarily table space temp, default table space tools, and then code unlimited on tools. So this is how to create a user and scheme for the recovery catalog. So step two is to grant recover catalog owner role to the scheme owner. This role provides the user with all privilege requires to maintain and query the recovery catalog. So SQL, grant recovery underscore catalog underscore owner to RMAN. So this is how it's to grant to the schema owner. So next to you, Hakim.
Okay, thank you, Kishan. So step 3, we will start our mind and connect to database that contain the catalog, which is at c/user/user rman. Then rman connect to the target. So step 4, we will create a catalog, which is the rman create catalog. So the catalog is being created. So back to you, Darwin.
So right now we are working in command prompt in RMan. So we are going to create a table space for catalog, which is created by Ayman to be said. So now the command is to create catalog table space cat underscore ts semicolon. So it would show like create catalog table space, the catalog name, what is you are going to mention the table space name basically. So we are going to enter it as catalog semicolon. So step 6 is to view or check tables that were created. So to view or check, we are going to use select, which is query language, select table underscore name from user underscore table. So it will show the tables that were created before it.
Okay, so the next part is to catalog. Step 7 is to cataloging backup in the recovery catalog. So catalog data file copy to the location that will be this one, old data file 01012021. So and user 01.dbf. So that's the name, and catalog archive log and the place and archive1 underscore 731dbf and catalog backup piece, and the same space is the this one backups that backup underscore 820.bkp. So this is what we have to do in step 7, and the step 8 is to start RMan and connect to the target database and recovery catalog. So percentage RMan target / catalog RMan at catdb and semicolon. So that is what is the command to start RMan and connect to the target database and recovery catalog. So over to you, Hakim.
Okay, thank you, Kishan. So step 9, if the target database is not mounted, then mount or open it. So we will use the command startup mount. So we will mount the target database. And step 10, register the target database in the connected recovery catalog, which is the command is register database. So it will register the target database in the connected recovery catalog. So back to Darwin.
Okay, step 11 is to verify that the registration was successful by running the report schema. So to do that, we have to key in the command of report schema, and you can see that there has been like permanent data files, which is like size and table space, and data files which we have keyed in is reflecting right there, and there is also list of temporary files that has been shown right here. So whatever we do have been shown in it as a reflection to be said. So we have tried to offer our help to the client that has been requested to us in this task, basically from me, Darwin, and Kishan and Aima, and we are thanking Madam Nuriza for this opportunity. That's all from us. Thank you.